Deluxe Cleaners turns your laundry day into laundry play.
Welcome to Deluxe Cleaners Laundry, where your clothes get the royal treatment. Are you tired of laundry nightmares? Let Deluxe Cleaners save the day. Imagine never worrying about shrunken sweaters, mysteriously pink-white shirts, or jeans that could stand on their own. Our team expertly rescues a sweater from the dryer with a tiny superhero cape, transforms a hopelessly pink shirt back to white with a magic wand, and has a dance-off with stiff jeans until they're soft and smooth. Watch as customers do a happy dance, receiving their perfectly folded laundry like it's a golden ticket. With Deluxe Cleaners, laundry is no longer a chore, but an adventure. Picture our staff using high-tech gadgets to zap away stains and employing secret folding techniques passed down through generations. Your clothes come back looking and feeling brand new. Ever seen a shirt get a spa day? At Deluxe Cleaners, even the most delicate fabrics get pampered. Thanks to Deluxe Cleaners, you'll have more time for the things you love. Imagine spending your weekends relaxing instead of wrestling with a laundry pile. Your clothes will thank you, and so will your sanity. Say goodbye to laundry woes, and hello to Deluxe Cleaners. Visit us today and experience the Deluxe difference, where every laundry day feels like a holiday.
Contact us.